Mm-hmm.
You ready to do some cruising? Go on. See the
Rugby.
that was for rugby.
Rugby.
You do a 640 relay.
Oh shit. What's funny? Probably one of my favorites to watch of myself. Time to kill it. Peace.
You pay for the phone monthly, you know, they're going to make it unless you read the fine print, because you built the structure. But like a lot of you guys have, you know, just dropped out, you know, and you know, and you were the foundation, and now it's drunk, and they're ready to take some, you know.
Rugby. What they're doing is decide.
I'm not good at picking time.
Because you're not good at talking.
No. But once I
Rugby. That's all for today, folks. What up? Rugby. Shit. Oh, that's my son knocking on the window.
So they're, you know, I mean, rugby is rugby. You know, you can't deny it.
For you, man.
Talk shit. You know, you gotta back your shit up with a video at least. You know, you're never gonna fight the motherfucker. I started off, you know, a few weeks ago doing about 2 to 3 a week, trying to e-bum me, because I was just watching gun videos before I saw YTDC. That's all I watched was stupid gun videos.